Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my new house. And what does every new house need? That needs kitchen stuff. So one of the kitchen items I needed was some baking sheets. And so why not get them from Amazon and do a little review on it? You can kind of see this is the baking sheets and it comes from Willow and Eva Homewares. So let's take a look at what they are inside here. Check them out. It's actually got some good weight to it. So it's a little heavy there. It says it's 4.7 pounds on the shipping. So let's check out how these are. I think it was a 3-pack of baking sheets plus the little racks. So I like the little racks because I'm always making cookies and things, so I always like these little drying racks, or these, whatever they're called, little baking racks. But you could also use them inside the pan as well, so it would fit. Oh, I stuck it back in the plastic. So here's the pan, stainless steel pan here. So this is what the pan looks like. This would be nice for making cookies and all in there. Yeah. And then you can put this in there if you wanted to bake something that was going to drip, so it'll drip through. So you get this one here. I'm actually going to stick it back in the bag just for right now. And I'm going to show you the other ones and compare the sizes. So there, we'll just do that. And that. Okay, so this is the big one here, and then it comes with a medium-sized one here, which is about 2/3 the size of that first one. You can kind of see there. And then it comes with a small one, which again is about 2/3 the size of the other one. So you kind of get an idea of the sizes. So you get 3 of them, and each one has its own little baking rack. If you have a small toaster, this would work for you. I have a big Bravo air fryer kind of toaster thing. This would actually work in there for me. So I like it. These are heavy duty. I mean, the racks are nice and metal, and the pans are pretty darn solid. So I like these. That's why I got them. I didn't get the cheapest ones. I got the best ones because I know I'm going to be using these a lot because I like to bake and make a lot of stuff. So I'll be using them for the cookies, and then I'll be using them for cooking stuff as well. This is a nice little, cute little pan. I don't know what I'll cook on there, but I like it. So I like this whole little set. It's a great little set. Great price for just a bunch of little ones here. I guess I have to put them back into there a certain way in order to fit in the back of the box if I want to, but you get the idea. So thumbs up for me. I like this bakeware set. It's good. I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my fun stuff as I get it, and like this video, and I'll update if there's any reason why I cook it. I'm guessing as I cook, it's probably going to get marks on it from cooking stuff. It's not going to stay as shiny and clean as it currently is, but you get the idea. It is what it is. Baking sheet. I'm ready to bake. Gonna go make some cookies. Okay, bye.